We talk about all the different cryptos you can see here and what is going right, what is going wrong. I've spent 4 years trading crypto, and on this year, I found a way to make my life so much easier. Not only have I made more money, but I've actually found it less stressful and had more time to carry on with my normal daily things that I love to do, like sports, like running, like ice bath. All right. And the reason I do that is because I found platforms, I found websites that can help me. I don't have to do everything on my own. So I'm going to show you today what I do, my daily routine of checking the crypto market, finding out what the bias is, whether it's bullish, whether it's bearish. I'm going to show you the exact platform I use to get thousands of signals every single day at my fingertips so I can choose whichever one I feel comfortable with. And I'm going to show you how you can check these trades on TradingView. If you have no idea what I just said, you're going to want to stay tuned, because for one-time fee, you can actually get all of the valuable things I'm going to talk about in this video. So make sure you stay to the end. Now, guys, everything I talk about, you can try for absolutely free. Websites I show you, you can get on for absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single penny until you're comfortable, and that money will not go to me. So guys, I'm just doing this to inform you about how important crypto trading is if you use the right tools. Now, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get in and show you what I got. So guys, you can see on Crypto Bubbles, this is a website I use to just get an overview before I start my day of all crypto prices. Now, you see some of the biggest names in crypto, but you can't see them as big as some of the names you haven't noticed. For example, BTC, everybody knows Bitcoin, right? Only at a plus 2.9% for the day. And it's a tiny little bubble. So that's how this website shows you. Then on to the big bubbles like ADA, which is also popular, but I bet you didn't know some of them. TIA, I bet some people didn't know what that is. Okay, Celestia Bank. Okay, going through some more, even Night, which is minus 44.8%, which is Midnight, which ranked 73 in all cryptos. Okay, so this will give you a bit of an overview. You can actually go through, click on them. It'll give you their whole trade. So this is, by the way, no way affiliated to me. This is just something I go to get a bit of an overview. It helps my eyes. It helps my mind. All right, I know Bitcoin's going up at least. If I go to the month, I know Bitcoin's going to be a huge downpour. Okay, 12.7% in the negative, which is absolutely insane. So I now have a bit of an overview when I'm recording content, when I'm making my crypto moves, when I'm trading. What's going on? Everything looks pretty green today. So we're looking at a bullish momentum with whatever it is I choose to do in the day to day. Now, you can see all these cryptos. How do you know what crypto to trade? How do you know what crypto to jump into? I can't tell you what the best one is, but I can show you places and platforms and different softwares that can help you in what you should be trading that day. I do not just trade Bitcoin. I do not just trade CRO, which is Crypto.com's token. Okay, I go with what's going to make me money. Now, the way I do that is I use a platform called SignalPeak. This is an amazing platform that has literally over 100 crypto signal channels. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is one amazing platform out there that I've used, and I know pretty much every single YouTuber has used. Now, that is the sponsor today. It's SMMGo. If you go to smmgo.io, you're going to see how you can change whatever social media business you have into a rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You get real services with real speed and honest and transparent customer service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just don't have the time, or you just don't know how to do it, go to smmgo.io today, hit the link in description. But let's get back to the video. We talk about all the different cryptos you can see here and what is going right, what is going wrong. Okay, not only that, they give you signals. They tell you trade this crypto today because it's about to go up or it's about to go down. We're going to make some money. So let's just show you an example, and I will actually show you a live trade on today if you stay to the end of the video. Now you can see here, Alex Friedman is probably one of the most popular crypto trading groups in the world. So guys, I actually was reading this article on Medium, right, which is a very good source of information. And they're talking about some of the best crypto groups in the world. Okay, Alex Friedman, $300 per month. Predictium, $1,000 per month. So on. You can see Bull Start Signals, Binance Killers, as many more. Always Win Signals. All of them come, okay, to around $2,500 just for this group. So if you're adding them all up, you're looking at about $4,500 a month. All right, ish. Now, there is many ways you can get this for a better price. Today, we've already gone through crypto bubbles. We've seen what's going on in the crypto market. We're deciding that it's in a bullish momentum. So I'm going to start buying some crypto, but I want to know what. I don't want to analyze every single crypto on here. I want to go into SignalPeak. I want to see what they are saying. So let's do that now. So inside SignalPeak, guys, all right, you get all these groups. Now, it's very easy to go along with. We're going to find the ones that are really interesting to us. Now, you can see here, Binance Killers is probably one of the greatest of all time. All right, guys, it's very, very interesting if you know what Binance Killers is, because they have a very unique way of trading. All right, they are pretty much the most profitable group in there. So if you are looking for one, Predictium, everyone recommends Alex Friedman, but I do recommend Binance Killers. I think it's insane. Okay, and they're going to send a signal like this. So you got to remember, I've just looked at the crypto market. I've just watched the bubbles. I've seen the green. I know it's bullish. And then I'm going to go into SignalPeak. I'm going to choose my favorite group, which is Binance Killers. I'm going to see what they're sending out. So right now, they've just sent out this trade, which was Sol. Okay, that is Solana. So I've already seen on crypto bubbles earlier that Sol is in the green, okay, by a few percent today. So we can see here, this buy that they predicted up, of course, that was in the correct momentum. All right, they actually made 94% profit on that. It's absolutely insane. It makes sense because I've seen that in real life unique. Now, I don't want anyone to just jump into any platform in the world and just go, okay, I'll copy what you say. Check the crypto market, check that you're happy with the bias. Then if this matches it as well, you can go with it. Okay, so let's just choose another group as an example right now. Let's go to one that is just... Okay, so Master of Binance just put out a signal for WLD to USDT. Okay, signal type, of course it is a long because we see all crypto is green right now. So already it makes me feel good. So leverage cost of 50x. Here's your entry and here's your take profits. Now you might be thinking, what does this even mean? I'm new to crypto. Let me show you very, very easily how you could put this in and start making yourself money if the trade wins. Now, guys, on the left, you can see what I was just talking about, this signal. On the right, you can see a platform called TradingView. If you're new to this, this is where you can actually see the charts in real time. So we've just gone to WLD, just like this trade tells us. And let's have a look and see if they are in the correct bias. When I say bias, I mean, if they're saying to buy this token, I want to know that this token is moving upwards, okay? So we're going to go here. We're going to take one of our tools. All right, and again, I'm not trying to teach you how to trade, guys. You can Google all of this. You can YouTube it and see everything. We're going to go for a long position because it says here long. All right, so I'm going to take this out. I'm going to find out where it told me to enter, 0.6358. And what this entry means, guys, 0.6358. You can see, by the way, I'm following this up here. You can see it moving as I move. 358 is around here. Okay, now I need to find out when they sent it. 0921. Okay, we're looking for a 0921 when they send it around here. So from this moment on, the next time it touches, we want to make sure that we enter at that stage. So it doesn't matter when they send the signal. It matters when you see the signal. Okay, so let's go to the candle that has it on, okay, which is about here, which is about 9 a.m. Okay, this is on the 2 hour. You can see it's around 10 here. So we've got that in, and here we go. The trade is starting to move. Now, what I want to say is, if you come here, guys, you look at this chart and it says you need to get entered here, but the candle's already way past. Do not get into the trade. The trade's gone, okay? Don't think, oh, I can still catch some. Wait until. So when he set this trade off, it was already here. You see that? This line here, it came all the way down, it hit the entry point, and then everyone that was following took the trade and it started to rise. So we're well in profit right now, okay? It's absolutely insane. You can see here on the risk reward, it's 2.5. So I don't want to go too much detail, but this is a winning trade, just like it's saying. And the reason it's winning is because everything's bullish. I already checked it on crypto bubbles. I know that things are going up. This tells me it's going up. I've looked at the entry point. If we took this at the exact time, we've started to move in green candles. So everything looked good. We take the trade. All right, guys, that's how simple this could be. Now, it's very, very easy to take it as, let me just do every single thing they say. No, you should find the groups that you're comfortable with. Find the groups that match what you're researching. If you see big news from, say, Donald Trump or something talking about the crypto market and you think that's going to affect it, do not take a trade that's going to do the opposite of that news. Okay, it's very, very simple to know. It's just harder to implement. Now, how you get this, okay, go to SignalPeak bot. It's very, very easy. You're going to click start. You can see I already have a membership, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, click start and you're going to try the 1-day free trial. This is going to allow you to try it for absolutely free. Okay, you get all of what I've just spoke about for absolutely free. Then, guys, you're going to love it so much after 1 day. I'm assuming you're going to love it like me. You're going to pay $350 one time. That's it. Not the $4,000 I said earlier when I showed you that article. Just one time, $350. You can pay in multiple ways, okay? You're going to unlock the lifetime. Click yes. It's going to take you to OxyPay, CryptoBot. These are 2 ways of paying with crypto. You can choose whichever one you want. Once you click that and go through, take the payment, you will get access to all of these cryptos, plus all of the Forex as well. Now, I will be making videos about Forex as well to try and give you some information on that. Crypto's what is going crazy right now because we just had a huge, huge bullish momentum coming in the last 24 hours. Forex and crypto, you're going to get all these groups for one price and you can use it as much as you want. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Go and give this video a like, all right? Because I put a lot of effort into this. I could sit here and just trade on my own and live a fantastic life, but I actually feel like helping the entire crypto community is something that I was made to do. So I'm going to keep making videos every single day. I'm going to find platforms that really do help revolutionize the crypto space and also help people like us that are not massively good at analyzing every single pair. All right, so I'm going to find stuff like this all the time. I'm going to bring them to you. Hopefully you can try them for free all the time. That is the best way to do it. You don't have to lose money like I used to when I first started. But if you enjoyed it, guys, make sure you do hit that subscribe button as well. If you want to be notified about the next video I do, hit that bell. Get involved with SignalPeak today, guys. I promise you, this is probably one of the greatest things that I have found in my entrepreneurial journey. Hit all them buttons I told you to. I'll see you on the next video.